Hey everyone, this is Michael Treadhart, International Technology Instructor, and I want to let you know about a class that we have coming to the Foxboro office, and that's going to be on September 22nd. It's going to be an all-day affair, and starting at 9 a.m., we're going to go in and we're going to discuss generating more leads for free. This is a hands-on workshop. This is what I call tell, show, do. I'm going to tell you what we're going to do. I'm going to show you what we're going to do, and then you're going to have workshops throughout the session to actually go out and do it. So definitely bring your laptop, your iPads. You can work on your phone if you want to, but we're going to show you how to generate more leads for free on a multitude of platforms: Google, social media, website, so much more. This is going to be a class that in years past, I've had one agent get 63 listings in 1 hour. I had another one get $8.25 million buyer in 30 minutes. So this is going to be something that is definitely going to change your business. We'll take our lunch break for about 30 minutes. It's going to be an in-house lunch. And then from 12:30 to 3:30, we're going to go in and discover your Facebook gold mine. I'm going to show you techniques that you can use on Facebook that actually can be applied to a lot of different social media platforms. But I'm going to show you these techniques that allowed one agent to get 9 closings in her first 45 days of real estate, and so many other records as well. So this is definitely a day that you do not want to miss. I will see you guys in September. Be ready to learn and grow. Thanks.